Example 1b. So this one looking a little weird here. My y equals mx plus b. So I'm not seeing a b and I'm not seeing anything written for the m. Oh my goodness, I'm freaking out. So actually, let's use a different color than red here. Let's go purple. All right, so slope equals y-intercept equals. Okay, so the slope is supposed to be the thing next to the x. Well, in that equation, I don't see anything written next to the x. What do we know is always next to that x, or that coefficient in front of the x, if we don't see one written? Well, we know that it's a 1. So my slope in this case is 1, or 1 over 1. Because remember, we want that slope written as a fraction. It makes sense that the slope is 1 and not 0, because if the slope was 0, what operation is going on between the m and the x? Multiplication. So if I had m as 0, m times x would be 0 times x is 0, so there would be no x there. So it has to be a 1, because 1 times x is x. My y-intercept, there's nothing there. So what could I add to this and still get x? 0. So my y-intercept is 0. Not nothing, but 0. There's a difference between having, there's a difference between having no y-intercept and a 0 y-intercept. And again, let's get a little sketchy graph. My y-intercept is 0, so that's the origin. I want purple. And then we have a positive slope, so that's going to be going upwards. So it's going to look something like that. And